The time taken to buy fuel at a filling station varies directly as the number of vehicles being in a queue and varies inversely as the number of pumps P available at the station. In a station with 5 pumps, it took 10 minutes to fuel 20 vehicles. We have to find the relationship between T, P, and V. The time it takes to fuel 50 vehicles at the station with 2 pumps. Number of pumps required to fuel 40 vehicles in 20 minutes. So let's begin the first one. We have the time taken varies directly as the vehicles V. So this is how we write it. T varies as V directly. Then also it varies inversely as P. Inversely as P. So this is how we write it. And now we have to find the constants of proportionality. So let the constant of proportionality be C. Then T will be equal to C times V over P. We can substitute the values given in the question. So from the question, we're given 5 pumps. Then we're also given 10 minutes. We're also given 20 vehicles. So we substitute this into this relation to find the value of C. So let's do that. T will be equal to T, which is 10, will be equal to C times V, which is 20, over P, which is 5. So the T is 10. So we can simplify this. 5 multiply 10 20 times, then we can simplify. Dividing through by 20, we get C to be 5 over 2. So this means that the relationship between T, P, and V is equal to T equal 5 over 2, which is C, times V over P, or T equal 5V over 2P. So that is the A part of the question. Now let's proceed to the B part of the question. Time it takes to fuel 50 vehicles at a station with 2 pumps. So we had this relation from part A. Now V is giving us 50, then P is giving us 2. We don't know T, so we substitute to get 5 times 50 over 2 times 2. So 2 going to 50 25 times. 5 times 25 will give us 125 over 2. So T will be equal to 64.5 minutes. Then the C part said the number of pumps required to fuel 40 vehicles in 20 minutes. So number of fuels required. So recall the relationship 5V over P, 2P equal T. So we don't know P, we know V to be 40, and we know T to be 20 minutes. So we substitute and solve for P. So 20 will be equal to 5 times 40 over 2P. 2 will go into 40 20 times. 5 times 20 will give us 100. So we have 20P is equal to 100. When we cross multiply, then we divide through by 20 to get P to be equal to 5 pumps. Therefore, the number of pumps is 5.